About to make a beat. We're gonna do it as quickly as we can, so don't overthink it. That's the key to that. So and then fix it because I messed up. Just move that one. Oops. And then, yeah, okay, we're good. Now, slide that to the beginning and turn off that damn metronome. And I'm going to change the way that sounds, so bear with me here. I know it's a little shrill, but I'm not done with it. Oh, this is a free VST ID killer. I hope you can see it right there. Zoom in if you want to. We're gonna slow this down to about 77. Then I'm gonna fill in what I like to call the Project Pat beat. Because it's just, to me, that's like sort of the epitome of the modern Memphis influence sound. You'll see what I mean in just a moment. Let me double this hi-hat. I have it set up to where it's just a basic hi-hat and snare pattern and my background ambient sound, so I can just start. Because you're going to want a snare on the 2 and the 4 anyway. Might as well just have it there when you open up the program. See where I'm going here? Now we're going to pull up what actually is an 808, but doesn't. Sounds more like a bass. And then, of course, I messed up, so there we go. Now let's try that. I want to do something kind of different. Like, do you hear the West Coast influence? Okay, check this out. We're about 5 minutes. So I forgot I'm supposed to talk during these things. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is put a rotary speaker on it. I didn't realize I was going to turn the volume down on it that much. So let's throw a mono amplifier on it. And that should get us right. Just turn the gain up, basically. There we go. That's about what I was going for. 6 minutes. Let's do a fill, then we're going to clone it. And then drop everything. Open the piano roll on the hi-hat. Delete all that. And go delete the snares and the kicks. There we go. Now we got a loop. We got a it's that quick. Now I'm just gonna save it and fill the beat out. From there you can double time it, you can half time it. Yeah, I could go double from that, sure. And I haven't even added another sample in. I haven't even added any other texture than my typical fireplace sound. It makes you think of a needle dropping, but also makes you think of fire.